Hello friends, welcome to Node.js tutorial. My name is Jagdish. Today in this video we will discuss basics in Node.js. Concept of Node.js is same as JavaScript. In this video we will discuss some concept. In index.js file I am write here one variable a equals to 100, and here I am write if condition a is triple equals to 100. If this is true, then print OK. Save this and run this application. This print OK. Also I am right here for loop for I is equals to 0, I is less than right 100, then I plus plus. Now print console.log I. Save this and run application. It prints the 0 to 99. Here I am write one array and it contain value 4, 8, 9, 5 and 6. Simply write console.log and array, name of array. Save this and run application. Array is successfully printed. After that I am create another file. Name of file is main.js, and I want to send data from one file to another file in Node.js. Then how we can do? Simply write here in main.js file, write module dot export equals to create one object, x is 10 and y is 20. I want to send this data to index.js file. Open index.js file and write here const index equals to name of variable. I am write here index require and name of file main and print console.log index. Save this and run application. It gives the x is 10 and y is 20, which is declared in main.js file. These are the some concept in Node.js file. Node.js. Like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.